Hi, my name is Marmar and I'm a passionate software developer. I'm currently studying DevOps engineering at LSET, and in this portfolio video, I want to share with you the incredible power of Git and how it has modernized the way we build software. Git is a distributed version control system that enables developers to track changes, manage collaboration, and ensure the integrity of their code. Unlike traditional centralized systems, Git allows multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously and seamlessly merging their changes together. With Git, you have complete control over your code's history, making it easier to vet to previous versions, collaborate with teammates, and experiment with new features. Let's explore some key concepts of Git and its powerful functionality. First, we have repositories. A repository is like a container that holds all the files and directories of your project, along with the entire history of changes. Next, we have commits. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time, representing a set of changes that you've made. Branching and Git allow you to work on different versions of your project simultaneously. They empower you to experiment, develop features, and isolate changes. Merging brings branches together, combining the changes from one branch into another, ensuring a cohesive code base. These concepts work harmoniously to facilitate collaboration, tracking progress, and maintaining code quality. Why should you use Git in your software development journey? Let's explore some of the benefits. First and foremost, Git simplifies collaboration. Multiple developers can work in the same project without stepping on each other's toes. Git empowers you to manage your code efficiently. You can easily track changes, review modifications, and roll back to previous versions if needed. It provides you with the freedom to work offline. You can make commits, switch branches, and experiment with the code even without an internet connection. Git also enhances code integrity. Every commit undergoes a checksum process, guaranteeing the integrity of your code base and providing safeguards against any potential data loss. Let's walk through a typical Git workflow and show how it restructures the development process. First, we initialize a repository with a git init command. This creates a new repository in our project directory. Next, we add files to the repository using git add. This stages the changes and prepares them for committing. We then create a commit with git commit, providing a meaningful message to describe the changes we've made. To collaborate with others, we pull changes from a remote repository using git pull and push our changes using git push. Throughout this workflow, Git enables us to manage conflicts, review changes, and maintain a clean, organized development process. Now let's take a closer look at a project where Git played a crucial role in my software development journey. In Project X, our team utilized Git to build a web application form from scratch. We started by initializing a Git repository with the command git init. This created a local repository for our project. Each team member then cloned the central repository using git clone, allowing them to have their own local copy of the code base. Git's branching capabilities were instrumental in our workflow. We created feature branches using git branch for each major task, enabling parallel development. Team members use commands like git checkout to switch between branches and git add to stage their changes. To keep track of our progress, we made commits using git commit with descriptive messages like git commit -my first commit. We regularly synchronize our work by pulling changes from the central repository using git pull and pushing our changes using git push. Throughout the project, we encountered some conflicts when merging branches. However, with git merge and git rebase, we successfully resolved conflicts and maintained a clean code base. In one instance, we discovered a critical block. Using git revert and git reset, we easily roll back to previous stable commit. By using Git's powerful features and commands, our team successfully delivered Project X on time, showing the efficiency and effectiveness of Git in collaboration software development. I hope this video has provided you with a good understanding of Git and its importance in modern coding workflows. If you have any questions or would like to connect with me, feel free to reach out via email at marmar.day.uk@gmail.com. You can also find me on LinkedIn for further networking opportunities and collaborations. Thank you so much for joining me in this.